growing on, gardeners?
Very good. This is my stepdaughter, Braylee. She's going to be helping me with the purple potato harvest. All right, grab a side. Let's go. This is probably around 60 pounds. Hopefully it's loaded with potatoes. Put it right in here. All right. Now, straight away, I just want to tear some of these out. Okay. Now, meal on that. We'll start a digging. Ooh, little bitty baby. Potato. Ooh, look at this one. Oh yeah, look at this. You getting all these potatoes?
Mm-hmm. Sure am.
Nice. Oh yeah.
There's a rock.
Probably a piece of wood. Whoa.
Oh, there's a lot up here.
Ooh, I got them loaded over here. Look at some decent ones too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one.
Ooh. I see a baby.
Oh, look at that.
What happened to him? What's this? I got the same thing.
What's
What
going
is
on?
going on?
That's funny.
Let's figure
Are
out
you
what
gonna
we're
go
do with
dig?
those.
You gonna dig for potatoes?
That is a good one.
It's all over your face.
These potatoes are good. They have a butter-like texture. We grew these off of potatoes I had from last year. I just chitted them and put them in the soil.
You did what to him?
Chitted, so it's when your potatoes start growing eyes, that's called chitting. And you want to put them in a dark, warm place, and you can get the chitting going on. Oh,
Oh, we're go dig.
look at that.
What do you see? What's in there? What is it? You're gonna help him? Go get it.
So, just grab this sucker. Pull.
Ow, there's something on my back.
Oh, look at this. Oh, that was a seed potato. Look at all these itty bitties.
This would be good for our roast.
Yeah,
We can put all kinds of different potatoes in our roast.
another seed. Man, it's a good thing we pulled these. Some of them. No, I guess not. It's just vermiculite on them.
Thanks. Got
Oh,
it.
look at this itty bitty.
Oh, tiny ones.
There is. These purples do not get huge. I'm gonna have to go with a different variety next year because I would like some monsters.
Like big baking purple potatoes.
Yeah. Some good bakers.
This one's really squishy.
That's a seed. Just put that to the side
Okay.
outside the pool. Should have been the very bottom. I don't think anything made it down there.
No, I don't see them. Oh, God, cracked.
Oh, there we go. This was not spectacular.
There's a lot, but they're not big.
And they all clump together.
It's okay. We're fortunate. All of our Yukons been coming in like crazy.
Ooh, there was a big spider on your foot. Oliver's trying to get it.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's got a seed pouch on it, egg pouch on it.
Oh, that's a big one. Look at that thing. It's right by your leg.
I
It's
just
on your
stepped on
leg.
the seed. I just stepped on the seed.
Well, that's it. That's all we got. 25-gallon grow bag.
Better luck
Couple
next time.
pounds of potatoes. That's what you get. Sometimes you hit big and sometimes not so much.